In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts to a group in Gmail. Whether you're streamlining your communication, managing a project, or just keeping your contacts organized. Understanding how to effectively manage your contact groups can save you a lot of time and effort. Let's get started and break it down step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to your Gmail account and log in if you haven't already. Once you're in, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice a small grid icon, often referred to as the Google Apps menu. Go ahead and click on that icon. This menu is the gateway to all of Google's apps that come with your account, such as Drive, Calendar, and Contacts. From the list that appears, click on Contacts. This will open Google Contacts in a new tab. Google Contacts is a dedicated space where all your email addresses and phone numbers are neatly organized. Having this separate from Gmail makes it much easier to manage your contacts without sifting through your inbox. Once you're viewing your contacts list, you can start selecting the individuals you want to add to a group. Hover over a contact and click the small checkbox next to their name. You can select multiple contacts at the same time, which allows you to add several people to a group in one go, saving time and effort. After selecting your contacts, look toward the top of the page. You'll see an icon that looks like a label or tag. This is the Manage Labels icon. Click on it, and a drop-down list of all your existing labels will appear. Labels in Google Contacts work like folders or categories, helping you organize contacts according to different groups, such as colleagues, clients, or friends. From this list, locate the label that matches the group you want your contacts to be in. If you haven't created one yet, don't worry, you can click Create Label right here. When naming your new label, choose something clear and descriptive so you can easily identify it later. For example, Project Team or Family works perfectly. Once you've selected the appropriate label, there's just one final step to complete the process. Click Apply. This will instantly add all the selected contacts to that group, making it much easier to send group emails or manage communication collectively. And there you have it. You've successfully organized your contacts into groups. Happy organizing.